Hey, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below, ProTinkerToys.com. This is a new car we're doing, another new car. It's not new, it's been out for a couple years. This is a Mercedes AMG C-Coupe DTM. Mercedes AMG C-Coupe DTM, okay? Nice car. First thing you want to do is you want to undo the pin here. You need a screwdriver to basically twist it off. All right, and then we want to unscrew the body from the chassis because we always want to do a pre-check of the car. And there's a couple things I didn't show when I did the last car, which was the Porsche 911 GT. Okay, so this is your car. Let's get all these screws so we don't lose them. And again, you always want to make sure that your motor has not popped out, which is like this. You want to make sure that's nice and fastened into the chassis. You want to make sure your struts have not popped out. It's very important. And you want to check. Oh my gosh, come on, get back in there. There we go. You want to check your guide pin, making sure both these two prongs are bent up. That might be a little too much. There we go. So that they're touching right here on your contacts, on your brushes in your guide pin. Then you want to make sure your guide pin is nicely bent up. And also, don't forget the SCX cars have a reversible magnet. By unscrewing this magnet, I'll try to do this really quick. You can adjust the height of the magnet. See how I'm releasing it? It will get higher. See how it's going to have better traction on the track, okay? So the car will virtually not come off when you have it pulled down. So let's do a couple runs around. See that? It's got a great, look at that. The magnet is just gripping to the track. So now we know everything is good. Let's do a little inox spray on the motor here just to give it some good, look at that, okay? And then we want to make sure that the prongs for the lights, they haven't gotten bent. And before we screw it, we're just going to put it on there to see if the lights come on. Yep, they're coming on. Okay, good. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to screw that chassis back on. Okay. This only has 3 screws. Some cars have 5. It all depends on the design of the car, that they need to have more screws to hold the car to the chassis. Some cars, because they have a click-on chassis, they just click on. So there we go. We got the car all ready to go. Nice rear mirror or rear lights. Check out those rear lights. See that? Isn't that cool? All right, and so that's that is the DTM, the Mercedes AMG C-Coupe DTM, and that is item number A10137. A10137. This is a really popular car. It's a really nice car. It really lasts a long time. I've been selling these for years. Now, they redid them about a couple years ago. This is about a year old. So this is a really nice car. So don't forget to check this out at ProTinkerToys.com, and that's ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you like my videos. And don't forget to ask, what kind of video you want me to do on, because we're going to be doing 100 videos in the next couple months. So see you later.